Welcome to the Pankh Scholarship Program application process. This video will guide you step by step on how to correctly fill the application form. Please follow each step carefully and ensure that all information entered is accurate. To begin, please register or log in using your valid mobile number and email ID. Make sure the contact details you provide are active, as all communication related to the scholarship will be shared on these details. Now, enter the student's personal details carefully. Please ensure that the student's name matches exactly with the name mentioned on official documents such as Aadhaar card or school records. After login, you need to click on Application Form link. Now, enter the student's personal details carefully. Please enter the student's WhatsApp number, gender, date of birth, religion, and Aadhaar number accurately. If the student has a disability, ensure the appropriate checkbox is selected and provide complete details of the disability. Also, add additional contact details if applicable. In the Family Details section, please complete the socio-economic category, parental status, and family information. Additionally, provide guardian details, including relationship, guardian's name, phone number, occupation, annual income, educational qualification, and any other relevant information, if available. Now, provide the bank account details carefully. The bank account should be active and in the student's or parent's name as mentioned in the guidelines. Please enter the IFSC code, bank name, bank account number, account holder's relation, and account holder's name accurately. Incorrect bank details may lead to delays or failure in scholarship disbursement. Now, please fill in the address details accurately, including the permanent address, current address, state or UT, district, city or village, and PIN code. In this section, upload all the required documents, including a passport-size photograph, Aadhaar card, front and back in both required sections, current year admission proof, such as fee receipts, previous class mark sheet, income proof, bank documents, and the scheduled tribe (ST) certificate. Please ensure that all documents are clear and readable. Multiple receipts are merged into a single PDF where required. Uploaded documents are valid and not edited. In this section, fill in the current academic details of the student. If the student is currently pursuing Class 11, select Class 11 as the current class. In the previous year, Class 10 section, enter the Class 10 details, including annual fee, start year, end year, marks obtained, and marks out of. If the student received the CGPA in Class 10, select the CGPA option and enter the CGPA accordingly. Then provide the school details such as school name, state, board, district, city, village, and address. Next, complete the current academic details section by selecting the Class 11 stream, entering the annual fee, and the start year, end year. Also, fill in the current school details, including school name, board, state, district, city, village, and address. Before submitting the application, please review all the entered details carefully. Tick the declaration checkbox to confirm that the information provided is true and correct. Click on Submit to complete your application. Once submitted successfully, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Please save your application reference number for future communication. Thank you for applying for the Pankh Scholarship Program. We wish you all the very best.